Hey, in this video I will show you how to create a simple logical game, and this is for absolute beginner. And in this video you will know a concept about random and the string. Okay, so the game is what? So the game is this pattern game. So BGL, then what is the next? Okay, so just run it. So here are three letters ILO. So what is the next letter? So just type the next letter. So here the gap between two letters is JK. Here are two gaps. Okay, so the next letter MNO PQ. So the next letter is R. You are correct. Okay, so again run it. PSV PQR. So gap is 2. So the next letter is V. WX. So next letter is Y. So you are correct. So again run it. BCD. So next letter is E. So I just type A. So you are wrong. Okay. So again type it. Again run it. So KOS. What is the next letter? So gap is 3. So TUV. So the correct answer is W. Okay. So I think you will understand what is this. Okay. So let's create it. So at first what you have to do, just import the random module and then create a variable alphabet. Either you can write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H or use the string module. So here I use the string module. So just import string and alphabet is equal string dot uppercase. Sorry, ASCII uppercase. Okay, so now just print the alphabet, just run it. So you can see it, the all alphabets in uppercase. So I just convert the alphabets into a list. So just type list and then type string dot ASCII uppercase. Okay, now LIST list. So now save it and run it. So here are all list of alphabets. Okay, so now choose a random number between 0 to 25 because there are 26 alphabets. If you print range of 26, then 0 to 25 all number will print. Okay, just type for x in range 26 and now type print of x. Okay, so if you run this, you can see, okay, there are total 26 number because it starts from 0. Okay, so now grab any random number between 0 to 25. So just choose a variable num1 and then type random.choice. Okay, and then type range of 26. Okay, so in the range of 26 I want to grab one random number. If you print this, then you can see it, print num1. So just run it. So here is one random number is 8. Okay, so now create the condition for the question. So now create a function def and name of the function is condition1. Okay, so now grab the first alphabet. Okay, so just type ALPHA alpha1 variable and then type alphabet and then index is the random number. So just type num1. Okay, alphabet is the least. Okay, so I just return this alpha1, return return. Every function is written something. So just alpha1. Okay, so now just print print the alphabet 1 is, just call it condition 1. Okay, now run it. Okay, so alphabet 1 is G. This is a random alphabet. Okay, so if you again run this, so then the alphabet is V. This is the random alphabet. So generate the second alphabet. So now I want to generate the second alphabet, but at first you have to generate a random number between 1 to 7 or 1 to 9 or 1 to something. So just type a ran_num because I want a random indexing. So that's why I create a random number again. So just type random.choice and this time range is 7. Okay, so now create the next alphabet alpha alpha 2, and alpha 2 is the alphabet, and the indexing is at first put num1. Okay, then put random. Okay, I just add a number between 0 to 6. Okay, again create another variable alpha 3 and then type alpha alphabet, and then indexing is num1 plus random plus random. Here you put 2 times random. Okay, and now return alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. So just return alpha 1, alpha 2 and now alpha 3. Okay, so now create the question. Okay, so now create the question. So at first create a object for this function condition1. So just type con2 equal condition1 object, and you have to convert this con2 into a list because I want to indexing this con2. Okay, so just type con equal list of con2. You can use any of variable, but if you use a meaningful variable then it is better. So then create a question. So just type QUES question equal question is the variable and question variable is contain a string. So here are 3 letters. Now tell what is the next letter. So just type here are 3 letters. So tell what is next letter, and I use the string format. So just type a curly bracket. This is the first curly bracket, and then type a comma, and then type a second curly bracket, and then type a third curly bracket, and then type a dot format, and then just pass this con variable. Okay, so just pass this con variable con 0 at first 0. Here are 3 indexing for the 3 returned value. Okay, so just con 0 and then type con 1 and then type con 2 because Python indexing always starts from 0. Okay, so now print this question. So just go to the next line and then type print and print the question. Okay, so run it. So here are 3 letters. So tell what is the next letter in this pattern. Okay, but here is one problem. If the random number means this is near about 24, 23, 21, then you get an error list index out of range like this. So just create this random num variable equal 23. So you can see an error. Okay, so list index out of range. So now fix this error. So here just do a simple method. Just add another ASCII uppercase. So just type plus string dot ASCII uppercase. Okay, and then again type plus and string dot ASCII uppercase. Okay, now it is fixed. Okay, so if you run this, then you can see it. Okay, so here are the three letters x, x, x. So what is the next letter? The next letter will be x, because here the random number, this is 0. Okay, so if you run this again, then you can see x, d, z. Then what is the next letter? Okay, so just create a condition for alphabet 4. Okay, so just type alpha underscore 4. Okay, and then equal alphabet, and then type at first num1, and this time put ran number 3 times. Okay, so just type random and then plus random, and then again type random. Okay, in alphabet 2 the random is 1 time, in alphabet 3 the random is 2 times, and in alphabet 4 the random is 3 times. Okay, so just pass the alpha 4. So just pass the variable alpha 4. Okay, this is the answer. So here is the question. Now you have to put an answer. So just type a variable ans equal input. So and then type tell your answer. Tell your answer. What is the next letter? Okay, now if answer is matched with alpha 4, then you tell the right answer. So just create a condition if ans is equal alpha 4. So alpha 4 means what? Alpha 4 means this con and index is 3. Okay, so just type con and index is 3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so this is a string and this is also a string. So here I use the uppercase. So you have to convert this answer into the uppercase. So just type dot upper. Okay, so now type print. You are correct. Otherwise run a else block and print you are wrong. Okay, so now change this 23 variable into a random number between 0 to 26. So just remove it. Okay, now run it. Okay, so here are 3 letters. So tell the next letter. So first letter is Y, second letter is A, third letter is C. What is the gap between these 2 letters? The gap is Z, means 1 gap. So the next letter is C, D, E. So the next letter is E. Okay, you are correct. So just again run this. So the first letter is O, second letter is P, third letter is Q. What is the gap between 3 letters? So here is no gap. So the next letter is O, P, Q, R. So you are correct. So again run this. So E, I, M. So what is the next letter? So the next letter is E. So find the gap between 2 letters. So E, F, G, H. So 3 gap. J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So the next letter is Q. Okay, Q are the correct letter. So I just type P. So you are wrong. Okay, so just run again. So P is V. What is the next? So P, Q, R. Q, R. Here is 2 gap. Is V, W, X, Y. So the correct is Y. Okay, you are correct. Okay, this is simple a logical game. You can create more logic. So just create a more logic for this game. Okay, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.